In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Steam Game Saves Reset Steam Games. By the end, you'll know the cleanest way to remove a game using Steam's built-in tools so you can free up space and, in many cases, start fresh. Begin with Steam open on your computer. At the very top left of the Steam window, click the Steam menu. This is the small menu that controls the app itself, not your games. From here, choose Settings. That opens Steam's Control Center where you'll find everything from downloads to interface options. Inside Settings, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Storage. Storage is where Steam lists the drives it manages and every game installed on them. You'll see the game names, their install locations, and how much space each one is using. It's a great overview if you're trying to clean up your library or make room for something new. Find the game you want to reset in the list. There's a checkbox next to each title. Click the checkbox for the game you've selected. You can select more than one if you're doing a broader cleanup, but be sure you've picked the right titles because the next action removes their installed files. With your game selected, click Uninstall. Steam will prompt you to confirm, just to make sure you really want to proceed. Confirming will remove the game's installed files from your drive and free up the space immediately. This doesn't remove the game from your account. The license remains in your library, so you can reinstall it at any time by visiting the games page and clicking Install. A quick word about save data, since that's often the goal when you're resetting a game. Many games store their saves inside the same folders Steam manages, and those are cleared when you uninstall through storage. However, some titles keep saves in separate locations on your computer or back them up to the cloud. In those cases, simply uninstalling the game won't always erase your progress by itself. If you're aiming for a truly clean slate, pay attention during reinstall to any prompts about restoring data, and consider how the specific game handles saves so you can make the choice that best fits your needs. That's all there is to it. You open the Steam menu, went into Settings, clicked Storage, selected your game, and hit Uninstall. Give Steam a moment to finish, and you're done. When you decide to play again, reinstall, and you'll either start fresh if no save data is restored, or pick up where you left off if it is. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.